Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8. So I bought this online at apple.com. This retailed for $629. So this is the non-cellular version. This is the aluminium material. You can also get this in stainless steel. And the color that I got is the midnight color. You can also get this with the cellular option, which will cost you 789 Australian dollars. So I pre-ordered this alongside with my iPhone, and today I just got this in the mail. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So we have a pull tab here, so let's go ahead and pull this tab. So before we open the Apple Watch Series 8 box, let's just take a look around. So we have Apple Watch, which is embossed into the packaging. And on the back, as you can see, I have the Midnight aluminium case with the Midnight Sport Band, 41mm. And it actually tells you what you get included with the packaging. So we got these two pull tabs here, so we're going to open this up. So we have the Apple Watch here and the Apple Sports Band, and nothing else in this packaging. So let's just take a look around with this Apple Watch box first. So on the front we have the Apple Watch in midnight color, and as you can see right there, Series 8 midnight aluminium case, 41mm. So we got these two pull tabs here which we need to remove. So we have the Apple Watch here. We'll come back to that. So let's see what else we get in here. Designed by Apple in California. And inside we have how to attach the bands and how to charge the watch. Pretty easy. We have same thing in a different language. And more information. And here we have our charging cable. I'll just quickly show you what it looks like. So it's a USB Type-C to the wireless charger. So here is the wireless charger. So same material as the watch, it's made out of aluminium, and this is the USB-C cable at the end. So here's the watch. Let's just lift it out, and it is covered in this cardboard material. Now let's just quickly unbox the sports band. So here, as you can see, I have the midnight color, which matches the watch. So on the side, we have Midnight Sport Band, 41mm. We have this pull tab, so let's pull this open. So we have the sports band in here, and looks like some more information. Let's just open this, and it gives you instructions on how to install the band on the watch, which is very easy, which I'll show you. So here is the sports band. So it comes in small if you have a small wrist, and a medium/large band for large wrists. So obviously I'm small, so I'm going to take the small medium band. But I'll keep the medium large band in there. And I'll quickly open this up. So now I'm going to show you a quick tour around the Apple Watch. So as you can see, we have a 1.61 inch screen. So this is the 41mm. And you can see the design is almost like a very dark navy blue color, hence the term midnight. On this side, I believe this is the speaker, so it's just a single grill piece. And here we have the slots to slide in the watch band. And on this side we have a back button. I believe that's a microphone, and next to that we have the digital crown, which you can use to interact with the watch. So you can rotate the crown and also press the crown. And that's the other side, so the other slot for the other band. And this is the back view. As you can see, it is very shiny. So you can see Apple Watch Series 8, and we have these buttons here to release the bands if you want to. And as you can see, it is very shiny, lots of sensors going on in there. And it's so shiny, it's basically reflecting my ring light. Let's go ahead and power this on. So right now it's asking us to bring the iPhone near the Apple Watch, so let's go ahead and do that. So this notification popped up. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Let's hit continue. Now it's brought us into the Apple Watch app, so we're going to set up for myself. Hold the Apple Watch near the camera. So now it's saying your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? I wear on my left. Alright, so terms and conditions, we're just going to agree. We'll just leave the text as it is. Okay. Continue. Nope. Continue. Continue. We'll just leave it as grid view. And now the Apple Watch is syncing with my phone. Let's just get to know my watch. Or not. While the Apple Watch is syncing, let's go ahead and put in the bands. So this is the bottom band. It's very easy. All you have to do is just slide it in. Just like so, and it locks into place. And then we'll do the top band as well. It fits well on my wrist, as you can see. So this is the Galaxy Watch 4. I think this is 42mm, I believe, the smallest one. So the screen is, I'm going to say, very similar, the screen. But now because I'm transitioning from the Galaxy Watch to the new Apple Series 8 watch, it's going to be a different experience. So hopefully the main complaint I had with the Galaxy Watch is the battery life. It would only last like maybe over a day. So hopefully with this Apple Watch, the battery life is just slightly a bit better. Now it says welcome to Apple Watch. So I'm going to quickly show you how to navigate the Apple Watch. It's very easy. So here is the watch face. Once you open up the watch, you swipe down from the top of the screen. This is your notifications. As you can see, I've got no notification. You swipe up. This is basically like your control center or your quick action toggle, so you can do certain functions using this menu here. If you press the digital crown, this takes you to this bubble view. So basically you can see all your apps installed on your Apple Watch. So you can use the digital crown to navigate, and you can use it to scroll up and down if you're in an app. And this button right here is basically it's basically your task manager view. So all your apps that you just opened is all on here. So if you press all apps, it goes back into this bubble view. So the controls are very basic and very easy, and you just press the digital crown to go back into the watch. So yeah, the controls are very easy, very simple to navigate, very similar to if you ever used an iPhone before. So now I'm going to show you a quick tour of the Apple Watch on the iPhone. So all you have to do is just tap on the Apple Watch app, and this will bring you the Apple Watch interface. So everything you can do and change on the app, you can do the exact same thing on the Apple Watch, so there's no differences at all. It's basically the exact same thing, except it's like all the watch settings on here will be exactly the same thing on here. It's just this is the iPhone interface. So as you can see on the top, I've got my faces. So right now I've got Metropolitan, which was the default it came with, and then the infograph, which is the one I liked. And then in the infograph, you can customize all different complications if you wanted to. I just left it like, I just changed some of the complications, as you can see. So here we have some settings. So we've got notifications, we've got the app view. So if you want to change the grid or the list view, you can. We've got the dock. So if you open the dock, you can have it as recent or favorites. There's some general settings in here. We've got display and brightness, accessibility, we've got Siri, sound and haptics, passcode, emergency SOS, and privacy. And we've got a lot of settings here for our Apple Watch stock apps, as you can see. I'm not going to go through all of them because it will take too much time, but there's all that. And on the bottom here, we've got all the installed apps on the Apple Watch. So you can go and have a look individually. I think a lot of it's just got to do with the notification setting for the apps. Here on the bottom, we've got, if we go into the face gallery, there's a whole bunch of Apple Watch faces that you can apply to your Apple Watch. Now, unfortunately, the Apple Watch doesn't have like a watch face store or anything, like similar to the Samsung, where the Samsung you can go to the Galaxy App Store and you can download a whole range of Galaxy Watch faces. But this one, these are all made by Apple. So yeah, so pretty much what you get on here is basically the only watch faces you can choose from. So there's no third party like App Store or anything for these kind of watch faces. And then we go into Discover. Basically gives you more information on how to use Apple Watch and the software, etc. So that's just a quick little overview of the Apple Watch on iOS. So some of the new features with the Series 8 is it now supports the S8 chip. So it has a 64-bit dual core processor. In terms of battery life, it's same as the Series 7, so up to 18 hours of normal use or up to 36 hours with low power mode. Some new features that they've announced is it now has body temperature sensor to detect fever and assist in ovulation cycle, which I can't demonstrate. It also has crash detection, so it uses motion sensors, and it automatically calls emergency services, so 000 if it detects you're in a car crash. So basically, exact same feature is founded on the iPhone is now on the Apple Watch. So that's it. That's just a quick unboxing and first quick look at the new Apple Watch Series 8. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.